to take a moment to thank all of our vendors. This is what makes the show a true success. We call it the Home Show family. It's a network, it's a community, and most of all, it's a number of businesses coming together to bring the latest in home design and home improvement to the South Florida marketplace. Within the show, we saw thousands of homeowners, interior designers, architects, builders, all coming together to come and shop, experience, and talk to the experts who are the best in their trade. Walking through the show day in and day out, from setup to show to completion, this is where I continuously find my passion. I love bringing people together. I love working for other businesses, and I love the community and the camaraderie that comes with all of it. This is where the relationships start, and the coming days, weeks, months, and years to come is where it will foster and continue to grow. And that's why I thank you all for visiting us, and that's why I thank our vendors for experiencing this with us and being a part of this and building the booths that the South Florida community deserves to see. Thank you again, and visit us at homeshows.com.